7 AI video generators, one winner nobody expected. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool to open the next time you need a video and do not want to touch a camera, hire an actor, or wait 3 weeks for an editor. 2026 has turned into the biggest arms race in AI history, and it is not chatbots anymore, it is video. Every single week, a new model claims to be the best one yet, and honestly, most of them are lying to you with a cherry-picked demo clip. So I spent real time testing the field down to the 7 tools that actually matter right now for creators, marketers, and anyone building a channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. These are ranked from solid to absolutely essential, and I am judging every single one on the same 3 things: realism, control, and whether a normal person without a film degree can actually use it. If you make any kind of content, this list alone will save you weeks of wasted credits on the wrong tool. Let's start at number 7.
Number 7 on this list is HeyGen, and I want to be upfront that this one is not really a scene generator in the traditional sense. It is an avatar engine. You type a script, pick a digital presenter from a library of avatars, and HeyGen turns it into a fully lip-synced talking video in over 175 languages, complete with voice cloning if you want your own face and voice doing the talking. If you make training videos, product explainers, onboarding content, or you need a consistent presenter for a channel that is otherwise completely faceless, this is genuinely the fastest tool on the entire list for that specific job. The catch, and the reason it lands at number 7 and not higher, is that it is built almost entirely for talking head delivery, not cinematic B-roll or moving scenes. So on a pure scene generation ranking like this one, it slides to the bottom, even though it might be the single most useful tool here for a very specific workflow.
Number 6 is Luma's Dream Machine. And this is the tool that made everyone's jaw drop when it first launched, and it is still one of the most accessible generators out there. The free tier is genuinely strong, and the camera movement it produces feels shockingly cinematic for something running in a browser tab with almost no setup. Sweeping drone-style pans, natural depth of field, smooth parallax, it nails the expensive-looking shot feeling better than tools that cost far more per generation. The problem, and it is a real one, is consistency across multiple shots. Ask it for the same character or the same product in 3 different clips, and you will often get 3 subtly different versions, different faces, slightly different colors, sometimes a completely different outfit. For one striking standalone clip, it is fantastic. For anything that needs to hold together as a sequence, it becomes risky fast.
Number 5 is Pixverse, specifically the newer V6 version. And this is the tool I think creators genuinely do not talk about enough. It handles multi-shot generation, image-to-video conversion, smooth transitions between clips, and reference to video, where you feed it a reference image and it builds motion around it, all inside one single workflow with built-in audio controls baked in. If you are building fast turnaround short-form content and you need real control over pacing and transitions without juggling 4 different apps to stitch a sequence together, Pixverse quietly does more useful work per prompt than almost anything else on this entire list, and it does it without the premium price tag of the bigger name. Number 4 is Runway, specifically the Gen 4.5 model, and this is the filmmaker's tool on this list. Instead of just typing a prompt and hoping for the best, Runway gives you granular editing control, motion brushes you can paint directly onto a frame, camera paths you can define manually, and frame-level adjustments that feel closer to a proper visual effects suite than a simple text box. Independent filmmakers and agencies making short films, ad concepts, and brand pieces lean on Runway specifically because it lets you actually direct the shot instead of just re-rolling the same prompt 20 times and praying. It is not the fastest tool here, and it has a real learning curve, but it is the one that respects your creative intent more than any other model on this list. Number 3 is Kling, now on version 3.0, and Kling built its entire reputation on one specific strength: motion. Complex human movement, martial arts choreography, dance sequences, 2 or more subjects physically interacting with each other in a believable way. Kling handles all of it with a level of realism that used to be flatly impossible for AI-generated video only a year or 2 ago. On top of that, it has quietly become the value pick of the year, with pricing that undercuts the bigger household names while matching or straight up beating them on the trickiest motion-heavy shots. If your content involves people actually doing things with their bodies, not just standing still in front of a pretty background, Kling is genuinely hard to beat right now.
Number 2 is Google's Veo 3.1, and this is the closest thing to a universal safe bet answer on this entire list. The photorealism is remarkable. The lighting behaves the way real lighting behaves, and the camera physics consistently fool viewers who are actively looking for the tell that a clip is AI generated. Combine that with native audio generation that actually matches what is happening on screen, footsteps landing in sync, ambient room tone, even lip-sync dialogue, all baked directly into the clip without a separate audio pass. And you get why most independent reviewers now call Veo 3.1 the best all-around generator of 2026. It is the model marketing teams reach for specifically when a video absolutely has to look premium and finished on the very first attempt.
Which brings us to number 1, and after everything I just tested, it is still Sora 2 from OpenAI sitting at the top. Longer individual clips than almost anything else on this entire list, complete native audio with properly lip-synced dialogue built in, and a level of narrative coherence across a sequence that makes it feel less like a text-to-video tool and more like an actual director who understands story structure, pacing, and payoff. Layer on top of that OpenAI's own Sora social app, where generated clips get shared, remixed, and discovered by other users almost like a dedicated video-first social network, and you get the one tool on this list genuinely built for quality and organic reach at the exact same time. If you only try one single thing from this entire video, make it this one first.
So here is the full ranking one more time. HeyGen for talking head avatars, Luma Dream Machine for jaw-dropping single shots, Pixverse for fast multi-shot workflows on a budget, Runway for filmmaker-level directorial control, Kling for the most realistic human motion you can get right now, Veo 3.1 for premium all-around polish and built-in audio, and Sora 2 sitting confidently at number 1 for story, coherence, and organic reach combined into a single tool. Which one are you actually going to open today? Drop your pick in the comments below, because I guarantee half of you are still using the exact same tool you learned 8 months ago, while 3 genuinely better options quietly passed it by without you noticing. Send this video straight to the one friend who keeps asking which AI video tool is actually worth paying for, because this is the answer they have been looking for. And subscribe right now, because this exact ranking will look completely different again in 3 months, and you do not want to be the creator still bragging about last season's winner while everyone else has already moved on.